Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat link from Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your own Facebook. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my menu at the below right corner. And from here, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my profile icon at the top left. And here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into seeing this is my profile and everything. Click on edit profile right here. And what you're going to do, you're going to just scroll a little bit down till you find the links. Click on edit right here. And you will see that I added a social right here, which is Spotify, and you can just add social by clicking add social link, and basically you can add Snapchat or whatever, and basically after you add your Snapchat username and everything, you're gonna see something like Spotify right here. Now in order to do it or to delete it, I'm gonna just simply click on remove, and the link or the social will be deleted right away. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.